Hello, it's Nicky Dee. Today we're going to put together the Triceratops model. Now the good news is you don't need a stapler, you don't need any sellotape or any scissors or any glue. You just need some space, a bit of time and perhaps someone to give you a hand. It's much more fun doing things together. Right, let's open up the kit and see what's inside. Here we have your book all about this dinosaur. So once you've put your model together, you can learn all the latest facts and figures about the Triceratops. You've got your nice, easy to follow instructions. They're just the pieces which will pop out of these sheets and numbers. So you just follow them 1 to 49. Now, as you can see, this model is white. And that's because we don't know what colour the dinosaurs were. The scientists, they've got a good idea, but they don't actually know. So while they're working it out, I thought I'd leave it up to you to colour in your own dinosaur. Now, when you get your sheets, you'll see that they are white and they've got their numbers on them, so that you can work out which piece goes where. But we had some fun at the weekend. We coloured in our pieces. Now the good news is that you can colour them, on the other side from the numbers, and it doesn't matter if you go over the edge because we're going to pop them out. Now there are a couple of sheets that you're going to see both sides of. So it's the very first sheet, which has got number 1 and number 2 on it, and also the very last sheet, which has got the numbers up to 49. Now we've coloured both sides of those because you're going to see both sides. And we'd like to dedicate this Triceratops and the video to all those amazing people in the NHS who are working so hard at the moment. And here we have the rainbow of hope. This will be the frill. So this is our NHS dinosaur. Right, it's time to get going. We'll put everything on the side. We just need our instructions and the pieces. And here we are, ready to get going. Now don't pop all the pieces out right at the beginning, will you? You need to know what number each piece is so that you can follow them in the instructions. So make sure you do them in order from 1 to 49. Here we go. So here it is, my final masterpiece, my rainbow NHS Triceratops. Now the finished article is very light and it's easy to hang on a bedroom wall because there's a handy hole at the back. And once you've finished creating your model, you can read all about this amazing dinosaur. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me put this one together. Now it's your turn. Remember, you can decide exactly what colour your dinosaur was. So until we meet again, keep roaring!